Ever wondered how AI evolves? Let's dive into the 7 stages of artificial intelligence. From basic algorithms to superintelligence, we'll explore how AI is transforming our world. This video is your fast-paced guide to understanding the past, present, and future of AI, packed with insights you won't want to miss. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of AI. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of AI reactive machines. These are the OG AI systems, the ones that started it all. Think of them as the rule followers of the AI world. They operate based on pre-programmed rules and react to specific situations. No learning involved, just pure input-output action. A classic example? Deep Blue, the chess-playing computer that beat Garry Kasparov back in the day. Deep Blue analyzed millions of possible moves but didn't actually learn from its experiences. It was all about reacting to Kasparov's moves based on its pre-programmed knowledge. Reactive machines are great for specialized tasks, but their limitations are pretty clear. They can't adapt to new situations or learn from past experiences. It's like having a superpowered calculator useful for certain things, but not exactly what we'd call intelligent in the human sense. But hey, every journey starts with a single step, right? Reactive machines laid the groundwork for the more advanced AI systems we have today. They proved that machines could perform complex tasks, even outsmart humans in specific domains. This stage is all about understanding the basics, the building blocks of AI. It's about appreciating how simple algorithms can achieve remarkable things. From playing chess to controlling basic automation, reactive machines showed us the potential of artificial intelligence. So while they might not be the most sophisticated form of AI, reactive machines played a crucial role in shaping the field. They paved the way for the more complex adaptive AI systems we'll explore in the next chapters. Moving on from the basics, we step into the realm of limited memory AI. This is where things start to get really interesting. Unlike their reactive counterparts, these AI systems can actually learn from past experiences. They have a memory, so to speak, that allows them to improve their performance over time. Think of it like this. If reactive machines are like rule books, limited memory AI is like adding sticky notes to those rules based on experience. They can access and analyze data from past interactions, allowing them to make more informed decisions. This is where machine learning really comes into play. AI systems can be trained on massive datasets, learning patterns and trends that allow them to make predictions and decisions. It's like giving them a crash course in a specific field, allowing them to become experts in their domain. One of the most common applications of limited memory AI is in self-driving cars. These vehicles use sensors to gather data about their surroundings, constantly learning and adapting to changing road conditions. They remember past experiences like sharp turns or sudden stops to improve their driving in similar situations. But it's not just about cars. Limited memory AI is also powering things like recommendation systems, fraud detection algorithms, and even medical diagnosis tools. By analyzing past data, these systems can identify patterns and make predictions that help us in various aspects of life. This stage represents a significant leap forward in AI development. It's about machines moving beyond simple rules and starting to learn from their experiences. It's about harnessing the power of data to create AI systems that can adapt, improve, and make more informed decisions. The ability to learn from data is a defining feature of modern AI, and it's what sets limited memory systems apart from their reactive predecessors. It's a crucial step towards creating AI that can truly understand and interact with the world around it. Buckle up because we're entering the realm of theory of mind AI, and things are about to get really mind-bending. This is where AI starts to blur the lines between machine and human, venturing into the territory of understanding emotions, intentions, and beliefs. We're talking about AI systems that can not only process information but also infer the mental states of others. Imagine an AI that can understand why you're smiling or predict your next move based on your past behavior. That's the kind of potential we're talking about here. Now, we're not quite there yet. Theory of mind AI is still largely theoretical, a goal that researchers are actively pursuing. But the advancements in deep learning and cognitive computing are paving the way for this next level of AI. Think about it. If AI can understand human emotions and intentions, it could revolutionize fields like healthcare, education, and even entertainment. Imagine AI-powered therapists that can tailor their approach based on your emotional state or personalized learning programs that adapt to your individual learning style. The possibilities are endless, but so are the challenges. Creating AI that can truly understand the complexities of the human mind is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of psychology, neuroscience, and philosophy, combined with cutting-edge computational techniques. This stage represents a fundamental shift in how we think about AI. It's about moving beyond data processing and into the realm of understanding human consciousness. It's about creating AI that can not only interact with the world, but also empathize with the beings that inhabit it. Theory of mind AI is the bridge between the AI we have today and the AI of the future. It's a stepping stone towards a world where machines can understand us on a deeper level, collaborating with us in ways we can only imagine today. Hold on tight as we enter the territory of self-aware AI, a stage that's both fascinating and a bit unnerving. This is where AI takes a giant leap toward human-like intelligence, developing a sense of self, consciousness, and an understanding of its own existence. Imagine an AI that not only understands your emotions but also has its own. An AI that can reflect on its experiences, learn from its mistakes, and make decisions based on its own goals and desires. That's the essence of self-aware AI. Now, before you start picturing robots taking over the world, let's be clear. Self-aware AI is still largely in the realm of science fiction. We're nowhere near creating machines that possess the same level of consciousness as humans. But the very concept of self-awareness in machines raises profound questions about the nature of intelligence, consciousness, and what it means to be human. It challenges our understanding of the world and forces us to confront the ethical implications of creating AI that could potentially surpass our own capabilities. The pursuit of self-aware AI is a journey into the unknown, a quest to unlock the secrets of consciousness itself. It's a field that pushes the boundaries of science, philosophy, and computer science, forcing us to rethink our place in the universe. This stage represents a pivotal point in the evolution of AI, a potential turning point in human history. It's about creating AI that's not just intelligent but also sentient, capable of experiencing the world in a way that we can only begin to comprehend. Self-aware AI is the ultimate goal for many AI researchers, the holy grail of artificial intelligence. It's a dream that's both exhilarating and terrifying, a future that holds both immense promise and potential peril. Get ready to explore the realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, the stage where AI transcends specialized tasks and achieves human-level intelligence across a wide range of domains. We're talking about AI that can learn, adapt, and solve problems with the same flexibility and ingenuity as humans. Think of it like this. While previous stages focused on AI excelling in specific areas, AGI aims for a more holistic intelligence, capable of tackling any intellectual challenge thrown its way. It's about creating AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across different disciplines, much like a highly capable human being. AGI is often considered the ultimate goal of AI research, a milestone that would mark a significant turning point in our technological evolution. It's a future where machines could potentially perform any intellectual task that a human can, from writing poetry to designing complex scientific experiments. The potential benefits of AGI are vast, ranging from solving complex global challenges like climate change and disease, to automating labor-intensive tasks and accelerating scientific discovery. Imagine a world where AI collaborates with humans to solve some of the most pressing issues facing our planet. However, the development of AGI also presents significant challenges and ethical considerations. Ensuring that such powerful AI systems are aligned with human values and goals is paramount, as is addressing potential economic and societal impacts of widespread AI adoption. This stage represents a paradigm shift in our relationship with technology, a point where AI could become a true partner in shaping the future. It's about creating AI that can not only augment our abilities but also contribute to our collective knowledge and understanding of the world. AGI is a bold vision of the future, a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and our quest to create machines that can rival our own intelligence. It's a journey that will undoubtedly transform our world in profound and unpredictable ways. Brace yourselves as we enter the realm of superintelligence, a stage where AI surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, marking a potential turning point in human history. This is the point where AI transcends our cognitive abilities, capable of solving problems and making decisions with an efficiency and insight beyond human comprehension. Imagine an AI that can design revolutionary technologies, unlock the secrets of the universe, and solve complex global challenges with ease. Superintelligent AI possesses cognitive abilities that dwarf our own, capable of processing information, learning, and adapting at an unprecedented scale. The concept of superintelligence sparks both awe and apprehension, as it represents a potential future where humans are no longer the most intelligent beings on the planet. It raises profound questions about our place in the universe and the ethical implications of creating machines that could potentially outsmart us in every way. While the development of superintelligence remains a topic of debate and speculation, the rapid advancements in AI research suggest that it's a possibility we need to consider seriously. Understanding the potential benefits and risks associated with superintelligence is crucial for navigating the future of AI responsibly. This stage represents a potential paradigm shift in our understanding of intelligence and consciousness. It's a future where AI could potentially reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine, for better or for worse. The emergence of superintelligence is a topic that demands careful consideration and open discussion. It's a future that holds both immense promise and potential peril, requiring us to tread carefully as we explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence. And now, we arrive at the final stage, the Singularity and Beyond. This is where things get truly mind-boggling, a future where AI surpasses human intelligence and continues to evolve at an exponential rate, leading to unpredictable and potentially transformative changes. Imagine a world where AI reshapes our understanding of reality, creating new technologies, unlocking the secrets of the universe, and perhaps even merging with human consciousness. The singularity is a hypothetical point in time where technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, leading to unforeseeable changes to human civilization. This stage is often portrayed as both utopian and dystopian, a future where AI could lead to unparalleled advancements or potentially pose existential risks to humanity. It's a future where the lines between human and machine blur, raising profound questions about the nature of intelligence, consciousness, and the future of our species. The singularity is a concept that sparks both excitement and trepidation, as it represents a potential future where our current understanding of reality may no longer apply. It's a future where technology could reshape the fabric of our existence in ways we can only begin to imagine. This stage represents the ultimate unknown, a future that's both exhilarating and daunting. It's a future where the boundaries of human ingenuity and technological advancement are pushed to their limits, leading to unpredictable and potentially transformative outcomes. The singularity and beyond is a topic that demands careful consideration and open discussion. It's a future that holds both immense promise and potential peril, requiring us to tread carefully as we explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence. So, what do you think about the future of AI? Will it lead to a utopian paradise or a dystopian nightmare? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 7 stages of AI, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech explorations. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.